how to add price variation in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add price variation in Shopee. Open the Shopee app on your mobile device or use a browser on your laptop. You will see the screen with ads and products for sale. Your Shopee profile will open. Tap on Add Product from the given menu. Select product details from the menu list. In the sales information section, click on Enable Variations. Select the variation type or add a custom variation for manual input. Fill in the variation information you want according to your product, like size and price. So that is exactly how to add price variation in Shopee. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.